Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava with walnuts. Start by preheating the oven and preparing your workspace with phyllo under a damp towel. Melt butter and chop 3 cups of walnuts finely, but not to dust. Layer phyllo sheets, brushing each with butter, then add nut mixture every few sheets. Bake until golden and pour hot syrup slowly for even absorption, letting it cool before serving. In this video, I will show how to make baklava with walnuts. Measure ingredients before you begin to streamline the process and avoid soggy phyllo. Keep phyllo covered to prevent drying and prepare the nut mix with consistent chop size for even texture. Have syrup ready and warm when baklava comes out of the oven so it soaks properly. Timing and temperature are key to crisp layers and balanced sweetness. In this video, I will show how to make baklava with walnuts. Quick recommendation: if you're on your feet stirring syrup and checking the oven, go darn tough for lifetime warranty socks that stay comfy and durable while you bake. They're a small upgrade that makes long kitchen sessions nicer, and they match the homey vibe of baking. Please subscribe and like if this helps. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make baklava with walnuts. Begin stacking phyllo, brushing a thin layer of butter between sheets to achieve flakiness and avoid sogginess. Spread nut mixture evenly and keep consistent layer height to ensure even baking and syrup absorption. Score the top into diamonds before baking so syrup can penetrate. Bake until the top is a rich golden brown and allow cooling to set the syrup for neat slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.